Welcome to Percepta Training's Microsoft Teams training. What is Microsoft Teams? Microsoft Teams is a collaboration tool that brings chat, meetings, files, and apps together in one place. Teams is primarily used for messaging and group conversations, video and audio meetings, file sharing and collaboration, organizing work through teams and channels. Instead of juggling email, meetings, and documents separately, Teams keeps everything centralized. Navigating the Teams interface. Let's take a quick look at the Teams interface. On the left-hand navigation bar, you'll see the main areas you'll use every day. Activity shows notifications like mentions, replies, and missed calls. Chat is where you'll find your one-on-one and group conversations. Teams is where team spaces and channels live, along with shared files. Calendar shows your meetings and syncs directly with Outlook. Calls allows you to make audio or video calls. At the top of the screen is the command bar. You can use it to search for people, messages, files, or quickly perform actions. Teams meetings. Join, schedule, and manage. Teams meetings make it easy to collaborate with people anywhere. To join a meeting, go to your calendar in Teams, select the meeting, and click Join. Before entering, you can turn your camera and microphone on or off. You can also join directly from an Outlook invite by clicking Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. To schedule a meeting, open the calendar, click New Meeting, add a title, attendees, date, and time. Make sure Teams Meeting is selected and click Send. During a meeting, you can mute or unmute, turn your camera on or off, share your screen, open the chat panel, and record the meeting if permitted. Chat and activity features. Teams offers several ways to communicate. You can start one-on-one chats for quick conversations, group chats for small teams, or use channel conversations for discussions that everyone on the team should see. Chats support mentions using the @ symbol, file sharing, emojis, and GIFs. The activity feed helps you keep track of important updates like mentions and replies so nothing gets missed. Outlook and Microsoft 365 integration. Microsoft Teams integrates closely with Outlook and Microsoft 365. You can schedule and join Teams meetings directly from Outlook, and your calendar stays synced automatically. Files shared in Teams are stored in OneDrive or SharePoint, and documents like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint can be edited in real time within Teams. To recap, today we covered how to navigate Teams, manage meetings, communicate through chat, and collaborate using Microsoft 365 tools.